Hi, I'm Patricia. Welcome to the 96th episode of A Breath of Song. 8th century mystic Rabia wrote, "So amazing, this choir of socks, shoes, shirt, skirt, undergarments, earth, sky, suns, and moons. No wonder I too now sing all day." Here we are, singing all day with songs that help us experience amazement. I'm coming to you straight from my home in Vermont, delighted to be with my daughter and friend, Rebecca Csuy.
Hi. And just so you know, it has been raining all day here in Vermont. So appropriate for this song.
However our voices show up today, wet or creaky or smooth, we can feel the connection to our breath and the vibration in our body. Let's find how good it can feel to sing. Today's song is Beautiful Rain by a collection of people, which I'll explain a little later.
We'll sing it several times through so it can settle inside you and you can begin to trust it as a resource. Let it move you into a state of flow.
Let's start with a good yawn stretch. Maybe roll your shoulders a bit. Oh, move your back around. Rebecca and I are mashed up nice and close to each other. Oh, because I only have one mic. But it feels good to stretch. Oh. And begin to notice the breath as it comes in and out, where it wants to go, where your muscles are saying, "Oh, please, a little more oxygen here." And on the next inhale, notice how it can widen your rib cage. And let it release as it goes out. And as it comes in, let it widen into your belly and soften your spine. And widen into your pelvis. Soften your face. And just let it pour in wherever it wants to go. And on the outs, let it make a sound. Ooh. The outs. On the ins, let it pour in where it wants to go, and on the outs, another sound. Let's try a roller coaster.
Ooh, you had some loop-de-loops.
Some loop-de-loops. And how about scrunchy sounds? Chewing caramel, maple syrup candies, and release to relax. Wide and soft. Unhinge your jaw. Boa constrictor move. Okay. Fabulous. We've got a melody and a countermelody today, both celebrating the sound and the very existence of rain, even all-day rain. So how about we start, I'll line out the melody, and Rebecca, would you echo it back to me along with the listeners?
Of course.
Okay, here we go. Rain, 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 rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain.
Yeah, and we tag those two together. Rain, 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 rain. Beautiful rain.
Rain, 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 beautiful rain.
Next line. Rain falling down on the plains.
Rain falling down on the plains.
You are so good at this, Rebecca. So yeah, let's just do that one more time because there's that little gap between the and plains. Rain falling down on the plains.
Rain falling down on the plains.
On the roofs of our town.
Hold up, what was that?
Okay, yeah, so this one, if we think we're in 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, there's words, key words on beat 2. So it goes on, of, town. Try that. 1,
On,
1,
of,
1.
town.
Yeah. So if I add the notes to that, it's on, of, town. Yeah, so I'm going to add the hour, so it goes on of our town.
On of our town.
Yeah, you got it. So I'm going to add a little more. On the roofs of our town.
On the roofs of our town.
Yeah. So there's a little decoration that you can add in if you want, a little ornament. On the roofs of our town.
On the roofs of our town.
Yeah. One more time. Let's do it together. On the roofs of our town. It closes. Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain.
And by then you're so good at going on beat 2 that it just feels natural, right?
Of course.
Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain.
Yeah, how about we try it from the beginning? Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Rain falling down on the plains, on the roofs of our town. Beautiful rain. So sweet.
Okay, now here's the counter melody. I'll line this one out and you can sing with the listeners this time.
Sure.
Okay. Rain, 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 rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
Rain, 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 rain.
Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain. Can we do those two back to back so I can hear how they're different?
Rain, 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 rain. Beautiful rain.
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 And then going on. Rain falling down on the plains.
Rain falling down on the plains.
One more time.
Okay.
Rain falling down on the plains.
Rain falling down on the plains.
Rooftop raindrops falling.
Rooftop raindrops falling.
Beautiful rain.
Beautiful rain.
Let's do the whole thing.
Why don't we first, can we do the rooftop raindrops with the 3 beat there so everybody can hear how that lines up? 1, 2.
Rooftop raindrops falling.
That's so cool. I mean, I know I wrote it, but I still think it's really cool.
It is very cool.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so the whole thing from the top?
Let's do it.
Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Rain falling down on the plains. Rooftop raindrops falling. Beautiful rain. Okay, here I go. Rain, rain, rain,
Rain, rain, rain,
beautiful rain.
beautiful rain.
Rain, rain, rain,
Rain, rain, rain,
beautiful
beautiful rain.
rain falling
Rain
down
falling
on
down on the
plains.
plains.
On the roofs
Rooftop
of our
rooftop
town.
raindrops falling.
Beautiful
Beautiful rain.
we're looking at each other and sort of scrunching our faces. So we're going to try running it again. All right? Because, when you're first learning a song, it doesn't always land right off. Rain, 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 beautiful, beautiful rain. Rain, 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 beautiful, beautiful rain. Rain falling down on the plains, on the roofs of our town. Raindrops falling. Beautiful, beautiful rain. Rain, 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 beautiful, beautiful rain. Rain, 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 beautiful, beautiful rain. Rain falling down on the plains, on the roofs of our town. Raindrops falling. Beautiful, rain. Well, we ended in tune.
We ended in tune. That's what counts, right?
I am so glad you're singing with us.
If you're glad to be singing too, consider sharing a breath of song with a friend or on social media, rating and reviewing. It matters.
We also divvy up the costs of production among a large group of listeners. To help, please leave something in the gratitude jar at abreathofsong.com.
And subscribe there to light up your inbox with a beautiful email featuring Patty Petrowski's glorious artwork and various other things.
Like this week, the sheet music for this song, which is free to share. Some songs seem to grow organically, shifting shape and adapting to their circumstances, to the point where it's difficult to pinpoint their origins. When sharing songs of uncertain provenance, I think it's really important to tell the lineage we know, and welcome learning more. So here we go. I learned the melody of this song from Mickey Hickey, who offers a beautiful set of pocket songs on Instagram. I'll stick a link in the show notes. She learned it from Bennett Konesny, a song sharer in Maine, whom I'll also stick a link for in the show notes. It has definite echoes, maybe even quotes from the Joseph Shabalala song Rain, Rain, Beautiful Rain that Ladysmith Black Mambazo released in 1987. But it's not exactly that song, but I'll put a link in the show notes. Anyway, I added the response melody, the counter melody, the collaborative melody. So what we're singing today is a song of accretion and adaptation. Maybe you will add to it too, or adapt it as it enters your life. And if you have more information about the origin of the song, I would love to hear.
So let's sing Beautiful Rain again to help our brains and bodies retain it.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Rain, rain, rain,
Rain, rain, rain, rain,
beautiful rain.
beautiful rain.
Rain, rain, rain,
Rain, rain, rain,
beautiful rain.
beautiful rain.
Rain falling
Rain
down
falling
on the
down on the
plains,
plains.
on the roofs of
Rooftop
our
raindrops, rooftop
town.
raindrops falling.
Beautiful,
Beautiful
rain. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thank you.
Thank you, listeners and singers, for joining us today for A Breath of Song. Thank you for taking care of yourself and listening to your voice. I believe making a better world starts with tuning in to ourselves and each other, which is what we just did.
So, yay us.
Let a friend know. That's Rebecca's part.
Let a friend know about the show so they can join too.
Next time we'll plant another song.
Until then, be well.